So I did want to add one more, probably two more, up in this intersection, two more break lines. So I'm going to go to my surfaces. I'm going to add a break line, and yeah, that's all good. And you can see here I've got sharp and texture boundary. I got soft, and I've got sharp. I'm going to set it to sharp and texture boundary, and you're going to see where that comes into play later on in this course, down in the data prep for SiteVision. You'll see where I'm going to add in some surface textures, and we'll talk more about this, but I'm going to go ahead and set that here. Click OK. And then I'm going to come in and I'm just going to pick, looks like where this PC comes in, probably into that tangent segment. So I'm just going to grab that point right there. And then we'll just come down, and same thing where this PC ties in there. I'm going to add in that break line. You can see that it changes the crown of my slope, or my entrance road here. And click on another new one, and we'll come over here and I'll do the same thing. I'll just pick in that point there, and I'm going to grab this point down here. So now I've got that break line. You can see I got, good road there. This one I'm not going to worry about down there because I could put it in, but it's really going to depending on looking at the information. And maybe I should. Let's go ahead and do it. So let's go ahead and put it in. Except this one, what I'm going to do, actually, let me close that and do the break line again. This one here, I'm just going to tell it that it's a sharp. Okay. Click OK. And then I'm going to pick here. And because I don't really have anything to snap to, I'm just going to right click. I'm going to go perpendicular to segment. And we're going to pick that line there. And you can see that it snaps in and creates that. Now I got this here because I think I added that break line, which was forcing that triangulation. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete that, and that removes that break line from that surface. Okay. So then I still have to come in here, and we have to go to our Project Explorer under Surfaces, right click, and go ahead and rebuild the contours to change the shape of what's happening in here. So again, just looking at those contours, that may be okay. I've got my crown there, and I'm happy with that.